Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at my aunt's house. That's why it looks different in the background. I don't know what this is. We should put that down. My aunt is just doing crafts because she loves to do crafts and art. So yeah. Jeez, I can't breathe. Okay, good. So today I'm going to be showcasing squishies. Most of them are not mine, and they are my friend, or my aunt's named Bella's. Bella. Isabella, but we call her Bella. I'm gonna watch some Stranger Things after I'm done this video. So yeah, let me just do it now. So first off, we have a boring one. It's a macaroon, but it has this stuff in it, so it makes it not very squishy. But it's still squishy. So yeah, place that right here. Next that we're gonna go to is this. This is not mine. I'm not a girl, I don't like girl stuff. I just want to show you. For all the girls that like pugs with, well, I like pugs, but like I don't like unicorn things. Okay, whatever. I don't really like this, but there it is. It is squishy. And it's a slow riser, which kind of annoys me, but it's fine. Next, I'm gonna showcase my both most liked ones, but I'm gonna say I don't like this one that much. It's literally just sand. Oh wait, is this not? This is slime. It's like really bad slime. Like I was expecting better slime. It's like spider slime. Like it has spiders in it. Like look, spider. It smells like flour. This may be flour. Okay, well this is, now I like it. It's not my least favorite anymore. I thought it was just sand, but it's actually slime. Like look. I wasn't gonna play with this because it's sand, and she didn't want me to make a mess, but it's not sand. It feels like sand, but I don't know what it is. Okay, well it says it's slime on the pack, and I thought it was just sand. Because it looks like sand. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, put this back. And next. I'm going to show you the two fidget spinners. This one does not work anymore. It used to have lights, but it does not have lights anymore. And you guys probably don't know this, but I used to be a master fidget spinner. So yeah, master, so oof. I used to. Just remember that in your head. I used to. Like this one I can do tricks good with. These are not mine though. Oh, she might let me keep this one, but I'm not going to show that because it's one of my favorites. Okay, next one is this poop. It looks red. It's actually brown. Why does it look so red? It's brown. It looks pink, but it's brown. The heck? Why does this look pink to you? Does this look pink? You guys might think that this is an ice cream, but it's a poop. Looks like it's not an ice cream because, I mean, it is an ice cream because it has sprinkles and it looks pink on the screen. But it's the poop. Poop. And it's squishy as hell. And it's a slow riser. I heard you're not allowed to use music because it's technically copyright. I don't know. I don't get it, but like, wait, so you're saying if I like put on music in the background, like rap, it's copyright? Okay, just comment that down below. I don't really know what copyright is. Well, I do know what it is, but like, what does it mean, like, if you use it on YouTube? Like, if you use music, is that copyright? Let me just put that to the side. Next one is this one, because I don't want to show you my 3 favorites. So, you guys probably know about these things, but like, they're cool. I have a nice prank for my aunt. I'm gonna take a look. She's literally singing in the background. Wait, is that copyright too? If I'm singing in the background? No, it's not. Okay, okay, this is done. You guys saw this? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Fuck. Oh, I really want to play with this at the end of the video. I'm gonna play with my other something. What is my least favorite here? But these are my favorite. My least favorite from my favorite. Okay, this one is. That looks blue to you. Where's everything? Wait. It looks like. What? Guys, this is actually light blue, just telling you. It's really fun to play with in squishiness. It looks dark blue, but it's actually light blue. And it hurts your hair, like. Ow. It actually hurts. Next one is. My favorite one is after this. This is my second favorite. That was my third. This is my second. This is my first, which I'll show you later. Well, I mean in a minute. This one has a hole in it, like all the stuff comes out. But you can just like push it back in really easily. And like this channel is gonna have vlogs and slime videos because on my phone I have no storage. I might get a new one for my birthday. I've had 3 phones in my life. One of them broke because it did not work. My second one, actually I don't have my third one yet, but my second one, it was my dad's old phone, so now it sucks. It sucks. It has 2 gigabytes. Like, I cannot do nothing on my phone. Like, nothing. And I have like valuable things on it, so like I keep it for photos. Well, I can't even take photos actually. And I don't even keep it for photos because I had to delete them. I delete them for nothing. Let's just get on to my favorite. You guys already had a little peek of it, and you guys probably already know. Okay, let me just... You're not getting a peek. You guys should probably already know what it is. And this is the only boy, well, not the only boy one that I have, but it is and it is not sticky. Guys, it looks like it's dark blue, but like it's not. I mean like sky blue, I meant to say. This is like a teal color. But it looks blue on the screen. I don't know why. My face looks red. What the heck? This looks pink. It's freaking red. That black is not gray. I swear. So yeah. Please like, subscribe, and I may see you in another video tomorrow. TMR. Hopefully I will. We're going on a bus in 2 days. Maybe I'll do some Fortnite videos because I have to. There's gonna be internet on the bus because we're taking an arrow now because I didn't know that it did this. I thought it was just like a really bad slime. But I'm not opening it because it's sand. Just want to show you. Well, it's technically sand, but it's slime. Bye guys. Bye guys. Peace. Wait. One more thing. Actually, no. Bye guys. Peace. See you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye guys. Peace. See you in the next video.